This unit is a scale model of an LHD, and the scale models are they're done in proportion so that we can understand exactly how they would work. Everything you see on board here can be brought off the machine and fit onto machines in the field. The kinds of units that you see here again have cameras for looking fore and aft on the machine, actuators that are for the roll and pitch of the machine, as well as for steering. This has a Wi-Fi network system that allows you to run the machine in teleoperated mode. Internal to this particular unit are batteries with special power conditioning software that allow you to run these systems that can go into the field on regular equipment. By teleoperating these kinds of robots, operators can sit on surface. Now, the operator sitting on surface isn't exposed to the hazardous environment underground. They're also not directly on board the machine and subject to the conditions of the machine. Some of these machines in mining situations can get extremely hot. Workers can get tired and not be able to run the machines. They can also go into very difficult situations where remote control machines are already in place. Now the operator is further away. Again, I know that in one of the applications that we had lost a machine down into a stope. There was a place for the operator, but fortunately the operator was sitting on surface. The machine went down and the operator was safe and ended up going home to tell his wife about it. In terms of the productivity and cost, a couple of things that are quite important to understand. One is that when you teleoperate machines, travel time is a huge cost in the mining operation. And so we get back about 20 to 30% of the time available to be able to run these machines when an operator can come in and sit down right on the machines on surface and go right directly to work. That has pretty substantial improvements in terms of how fast you can mine a mine and changing the profitability of the operation. When you sit up on surface and run these machines and you get that 20% efficiency, now you're moving all your cash flow forward, and being able to get that money faster means you can invest it again and generate more wealth. By having only machines underground like this in teleoperation where the operators are sitting on surface, you can take a lot greater risk with the machines, and as a result you can reduce the engineering costs of the operation in terms of tunnel support and safety. You can change ventilation requirements because there aren't going to be any people in there and you just really need to ventilate for the machines themselves. You can also look at putting these machines into more and more difficult situations to work. It's easy for a robot to go where a person can't. And these kinds of robots can go in and do many things that people would not be allowed to do in current mining operations.